With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, which one of the following aqueous solution will exhibit highest boiling point? Okay. So as we know that elevation in boiling point it is a colligative property, and colligative property is those property which depend upon number of solute particles. So greater will be the number of solute particle in solution, higher the extent of elevation in boiling point. Let us see option one by one. First is 0.01 molar Na2SO4. As we know that delta Tb equal to I into Kb into Kb into M. Here delta Tb is the elevation in boiling point, I is want of factor, Kb is molar boiling point elevation constant, M is molality. From here we can say that delta Tb is directly proportional to want of factor. If the want of factor higher, greater will be the value of want of factor, higher will be the elevation in boiling point, hence higher will be boiling point of solution. Okay. So let us see option one by one. First is 0.01 molar Na2SO4. Let us, as we know that Na2SO4 dissociate into Na positive plus SO4 2 negative. Balance the equation here too. As we see that here number of particles of solute is I equal to 3. So want of factor for Na2SO4 is 3. Let us see second option, which is 0.015 molar glucose. As we know that glucose is a non-electrolyte. So here we can consider it doesn't dissociate. Here no dissociation will take place. So the number of particle of solute is present here, I equal to 1. So want of factor for glucose is 1. Let us see third, which is 0.015 molar urea. As we know that urea is also a non-electrolyte. It doesn't dissolve in water and it doesn't dissociate also. So its want of factor is also 1. Let us see fourth option, which is 0.01 molar KNO3 potassium. As we know that KNO3, it will dissociate into K positive plus NO3 negative. So here number of particles of solute is I equal to 2. So Tb is directly proportional to the number of particles of solute, or we can say that it is directly proportional to the want of factor. Greater will be the value of want of factor, higher will be the elevation in boiling point, and higher will be boiling point of the solution. So from here we can say that for first compound I equal to 3, for second I equal to 1, for third I equal to 1, and for fourth is I equal to 2. So here we can say that greater the value of want of factor for Na2SO4. So greater will be its elevation in boiling point and highest its boiling point in the aqueous solution. So option 1 is the correct answer of this question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.